This is a Dodge Charger RT powered by the legendary 5.7-litre Hemi. Strong, aggressive, but today we're taking it to the next level. Our goal? Transform this RT into a full SRT Hellcat-inspired widebody look using a premium widebody kit from Vicrez.com. From test fitting to paint to final installation, let's build a Charger that turns heads everywhere it goes. To complete the stance, we install 20-inch Hellcat-style wheels. This step is critical. Widebody kits demand the right wheel size and offset for that aggressive factory Hellcat look. Step 1 is all about fitment and planning. Before any paint or permanent installation, we test fit every widebody component from Vicrez to ensure perfect alignment and body lines. At this stage, nothing is rushed. Every panel, every curve, every clearance point is checked. Once fitment is confirmed, we move into the paint phase. The widebody components are prepped, primed and painted to match the vehicle perfectly. Paint quality is what separates a simple body kit from a true OEM-style transformation. The goal here is seamless, like the car came this way from the factory. With paint complete, it's time for final installation. Each Vicrez widebody panel is mounted permanently, aligned precisely, and secured for durability and long-term performance. This is where the transformation truly comes together. The Charger's profile becomes wider, lower, and far more aggressive. here it is, the final result. A Dodge Charger RT with the unmistakable presence of an SRT Hellcat Widebody. This build proves you don't need a Hellcat badge to achieve the Hellcat look. With the right vision, quality parts, and attention to detail, the transformation speaks for itself.